Recording now. This is Jackhammers waterfall escape. You know, we may do some crazy stunts, but it's always nice to stop and look at the stuff. This is Saddam. Looks like Big Black and Joint are gonna try climbing it. I'm gonna follow them a little ways, but not all the way. It's pretty rough since it's the winter, as you can see. And it's actually water. Just a miracle.
Got an idea.
Looks like Big Black's actually getting up there. And Joy is just kind of trying to actually climb up the side of it. But Big Black's doing pretty good. This is Saddam saying, "You just got jacked." Beautiful style.
Look at me, man. I'm gonna be rolling down this hill.
Yeah, he's gonna roll down the hill. Yeah, right. Alright, folks. What?
You wanna play?
Yeah. Looks like Big Black's almost up there. Oh shit. Big Black, wave your hands in the air. I think Big Black's coming back down. Woo, Big Black!
Hey, Ryan. Ryan, come in. Ready? Did it.
Big Black's coming back down. Dude, do I press the button to shut it off? Steven! I mean Big Black, do I press the button to shut it off? Woo! Big Black's almost down. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is what I'm saying. This is just a beautiful jack. Dude, that's that jack.
Oh, did you record it?
Big Black. Big Black.
Hey, press one.
Press the button.